Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about reduction formula. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to this one. So if we do first derivative, we have like this. This is about the power rule of derivative. First derivative of x squared, we have 2x. Number 1, that is about the constant, so you got number 0. dv, that is about the x. The integration of this one, we have v equals to x. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration. So we have 2ns squared and now about s squared we can put like this. So s squared plus 1 multiplied by this one. So we have s squared plus 1 to the power of n. Because negative with negative, we have positive. And we have the integration. S squared plus 1 to the power of n minus 1 ds. And we also know that this one equals to this one. So I will put this one go to the right. And this one we have positive in here. Next, 2n plus 1 we can put like this. And now we divide both sides by 2n plus 1. And we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.